For thousands of years, humanity has pondered the possibility of not being alone in the vastness of the universe. As we gazed at the night stars, we contemplated the possibility that there might be hidden forces and civilizations lurking in distant galaxies, but there was little concrete evidence of this before the arrival of Oumuamua, our first interstellar visitor who showed up mysteriously and then sped off to outer space. Now, Joe Rogan, host of the popular podcast Joe Rogan Experience, is fascinated by the recent unsettling discovery that Oumuamua has returned and is now on a trajectory toward Earth. The big question is, why is this mysterious and controversial entity making its way back to our planet? Let's find out. With our knowledge of space and advanced technology, the identification and classification of objects spotted in space should be a straightforward task. However, the story of Oumuamua differs significantly. Oumuamua is a space object that has perplexed scientists and astronomers, earning its name, which translates to a messenger from afar arriving first. This object originated from deep space, or what we commonly refer to as interstellar space. Interstellar space is the vast expanse between stars beyond our solar system. Occasionally, objects from interstellar space can enter Earth's solar system, but Oumuamua was an unexpected visitor that left us puzzled. The initial aspect that captivated scientists was Oumuamua's unusual appearance. It had an elongated shape resembling a sausage or hot dog. Initially, scientists considered it to be an asteroid. However, asteroids typically have rounded or irregular shapes and orbit the sun within our solar system. Oumuamua, on the other hand, exhibited a distinct shape reminiscent of a finely crafted or engineered object. Furthermore, it did not follow the typical orbit around our sun like asteroids do. Consequently, Oumuamua quickly became a subject of controversy due to its extraordinary characteristics and its defiance of conventional explanations. It was during this time that the renowned podcaster Joe Rogan became intrigued by the mysterious nature of this flying object. He invited Avi Loeb, an Israeli-American theoretical physicist and published author, to delve deep into the mysteries surrounding Oumuamua in one of his podcast episodes. Loeb did an exceptional job enlightening the podcast audience about the nature of Oumuamua and the possibility of its extraterrestrial origin. Unfortunately, due to its rapid departure from our solar system, further exploration of Oumuamua proved to be challenging. However, to everyone's surprise, Oumuamua has resurfaced and is now transmitting signals to Earth. Joe Rogan, having conducted extensive research, recently aired an episode in which he revealed a wealth of information about this mysterious object. Stay tuned to uncover the latest revelations about Oumuamua and what might happen when this object finally makes contact with Earth. Upon its arrival to our solar system, Oumuamua immediately defied the conventional rules of space travel. Typically, space objects move at consistent speeds relative to other celestial bodies. However, scientists quickly realized that Oumuamua was traveling at its own unique pace, sparking controversy and speculation that it could be a comet. Comets are icy bodies in space that develop tails as volatile materials vaporize off their surfaces due to the sun's intense heat. If you've ever witnessed a dazzling ball of light streaking across the night sky, chances are you observed a comet. Unlike asteroids or planetary bodies, comets can reach speeds of up to 100,000 miles per hour, depending on their distance from the sun. Oumuamua's remarkable speed initially led scientists to believe it was a comet. However, it lacked a critical feature of most comets, the escaping tail gas. Oumuamua's peculiar movement through space did not resemble that of a typical comet. Some researchers theorized that it was expelling gas from its sunlit side, propelling it like a rocket. However, this theory faced a significant obstacle: the absence of detectable escaping gas and, consequently, a tail. If Oumuamua were indeed a comet, scientists would have been able to confirm it. Even as an interstellar object, it would have displayed some common characteristics. In 2019, another interstellar comet named 2I/Borisov was discovered. This comet behaved like a typical rogue comet, exhibiting a tail 14 times the size of Earth. Unlike Oumuamua, it had fragmented multiple times over the years. With Oumuamua turning out to be neither an asteroid nor a comet, a new theory emerged. Now, it could be a fragment from an exoplanet. This theory suggested that an asteroid had collided with a planet outside our solar system, sending fragments hurtling through space. From the moment Oumuamua was first observed on October 19, 2017, using the Pan-STARRS 1 observatory in Hawaii, it became a captivating mystery. The Pan-STARRS 1 observatory, an acronym for Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, houses a colossal telescope equipped with one of the world's largest digital cameras boasting 1.4 billion pixels. Its primary purpose is to identify potential threats to Earth, objects that could collide with our planet and cause damage. When astronomers operating the telescope spotted the enigmatic object streaking through our solar system, they concluded it was something unprecedented and named it Oumuamua. Initially, astronomers believed Oumuamua resembled a tumbling, sausage-shaped object. However, its true form was revealed days after it passed through our solar system. Measurements indicated that Oumuamua had dimensions of 377 by 364 by 62 feet, disproving the initial cigar-like shape and revealing a pancake-like structure. As Oumuamua approached its closest point to the Sun on September 9, 2017, it exhibited astonishing speed, traveling at approximately 196,000 miles per hour. Furthermore, its orbital trajectory around the Sun suggested that it was not merely influenced by gravitational forces, but originated from beyond our solar system. The notion of an alien presence exploring our solar system caused controversy and panic within the scientific community and the general public. Oumuamua's propulsion appeared to surpass the forces typically observed in comets or other celestial bodies, and it exhibited a continuous, deliberate push. It seemed to accelerate as it sought to escape the Sun's heat and return to its extraterrestrial home. These peculiarities led many to believe that Oumuamua was an alien spacecraft. Theories arose suggesting it could be an extraterrestrial probe, akin to our Voyager spacecraft, powered by an unknown internal energy source rather than conventional fuels. Determining the origin and age of Oumuamua presented a significant challenge. Obtaining a live sample or a close-up view of the object was impossible due to its extremely high velocity. Earth-based telescopes lacked the necessary resolution to capture a clear image. Consequently, scientists initially surmised that Oumuamua had a cigar-like shape, until later observations confirmed its pancake-like structure. The alien spaceship theory gained traction as it seemed to be the most plausible explanation for this perplexing celestial phenomenon. Some researchers even proposed exotic explanations for Oumuamua's origin and operation. Avi Loeb, a Harvard professor of astronomy, postulated that Oumuamua was an alien spacecraft equipped with a light sail for space propulsion. This method involves utilizing the sun's radiation as a source of propulsion. According to Loeb, as photons bounce off Oumuamua's surface, they generate energy for movement. However, this theory faced several flaws. Solar radiation can only propel tiny, lightweight objects with low densities, requiring a large surface area to capture sufficient radiation for propulsion. Nevertheless, if we consider a civilization far more advanced than our own, these limitations may not apply, and solar radiation could power a spacecraft the size of Oumuamua, even without visible solar sails. Despite the excitement surrounding the alien spacecraft theory, the scientific community remained cautious and skeptical. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and without concrete proof or direct observation, the hypothesis remained speculative. Scientists prefer to adhere to the principle of Occam's razor, which suggests that the simplest explanation is often the most likely. In the case of Oumuamua, the simplest explanation would be a natural, albeit unusual object rather than an alien spacecraft. To gather more information about Oumuamua and potentially solve the mystery of its origin and nature, scientists turned to advanced computer simulations and modeling. By analyzing the available data and running various simulations, researchers aim to recreate and understand Oumuamua's trajectory and behavior. These simulations offered valuable insights into the object's possible composition, shape, and potential origins. In October 2018, a study published in the Astrophysical Journal Letters proposed a plausible natural explanation for Oumuamua. The researchers suggested that the object could be a fractal dust aggregate formed in the protoplanetary disk around a young star. Such aggregates are composed of dust particles that clump together due to electrostatic forces, forming a loosely bound structure. This explanation would account for Oumuamua's unusual shape and lack of a visible tail. While the natural explanation gained traction, the possibility of Oumuamua being an artificial object or spacecraft remained captivating. The Breakthrough Listen project, which aims to search for evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence, even conducted a comprehensive search for artificial signals from Oumuamua. However, no evidence of artificial signals or any other indications of extraterrestrial technology were detected. As time passed and Oumuamua moved farther away from our solar system, it became increasingly challenging to gather additional data. Eventually, it became too faint and distant to observe effectively, leaving many questions unanswered. Before we explore Joe Rogan's concern about Oumuamua's sudden return to our solar system, let's find out where in the universe this mysterious object comes from. What does Oumuamua's characteristics say about its origin? Oumuamua, the mysterious object that originated from far beyond our solar system, continues to perplex scientists as they strive to unravel its true origin. Initially, experts speculated that Oumuamua may have come from Vega, a brilliantly luminous star within the Lyra constellation. Vega's collection of debris disks made it a plausible candidate as the birthplace of Oumuamua. According to this hypothesis, Oumuamua would have embarked on an astonishing 600,000-year journey to reach our solar system. However, recent developments have cast doubt on the Vega theory, leading scientists to explore a wide range of alternative possibilities. Some scientists now suggest that Oumuamua may have traversed our galaxy for billions of years, passing through over 20,000 star systems during its journey spanning hundreds of thousands of years. While this may seem like an immense time frame, it is relatively small compared to the age of our galaxy, estimated to be around 10 billion years old, with approximately 200 billion stars. Given the duration of Oumuamua's interstellar odyssey, astronomers speculate that its encounter with our solar system may mark its first interaction with a new stellar region. This hypothesis gains support from Oumuamua's trajectory, which closely resembles the movement of neighboring stars as they rapidly pass by our sun. To unlock the secrets of Oumuamua's origin, scientists have meticulously retraced its path prior to entering our solar system. Corinne Baylor-Jones of the Max Planck Institute for Astronomy undertook the challenging task of analyzing Oumuamua's course in relation to the historical positions of approximately 7 million stars. By using data from the Gaia spacecraft, which diligently monitored these stars, Baylor-Jones reconstructed their orbital paths and searched for intersections or similarities with Oumuamua's trajectory. This extensive investigation yielded 4 promising candidates, each exhibiting trajectories that closely resembled the rewound path of Oumuamua. Among these candidates, one is believed to be Oumuamua's birthplace, although conclusively determining its origin remains a complex challenge. During his thorough examination, Baylor-Jones made an intriguing observation. He noticed that Oumuamua's trajectory aligned with a region between 1 to 2 Oort cloud radii, or 100,000 to 200,000 astronomical units, AU. Additionally, the encounter velocities between Oumuamua and each of the potential origin candidates were remarkably high, ranging from 6 to 16 miles per hour, posing a perplexing puzzle for scientists. Some researchers have proposed that Oumuamua could be a planetesimal, a building block expelled during the early stages of planet formation. However, achieving such exceptional ejection velocities solely through encounters with larger planets seems highly implausible, though not entirely impossible. Another possibility is that Oumuamua originated from a binary star system, which could account for its substantial velocity. However, none of the four most likely candidates for Oumuamua's origin are binary stars, further adding to the complexity of the puzzle. The search for Oumuamua's true birthplace continues, with the hope that future releases of Gaia data will shed light on this cosmic mystery. Additional data from Gaia will enable astronomers to refine their search for the celestial traveler's origin, providing deeper insights into the motions of neighboring stars and potentially leading to more conclusive results. Regardless of its origin, one question remains. What propelled Oumuamua through the vastness of space, separating it from its celestial home? Scientists have proposed several intriguing possibilities to explain the rapid journey of this enigmatic interstellar visitor. One hypothesis suggests that Oumuamua may have formed as a result of a cataclysmic collision between two celestial bodies. Another theory proposes that a supernova explosion could have unleashed Oumuamua from its original location, making it the first messenger from distant realms to grace our solar system. Some even liken Oumuamua to a harbinger of calamity, similar to wandering asteroids that pose potential threats to Earth in the future. However, the narrative becomes even more captivating when astronomers like Garrett Levine of Yale University present a compelling idea. Oumuamua might consist of fragments of ice expelled from the rocky disks of far-flung planets, which now routinely find their way into our solar system as interstellar debris. In 2017, Project Lyra was launched as an initiative inspired by Oumuamua, with the sole goal of developing a spacecraft capable of traveling at high speeds to intercept interstellar objects like Oumuamua and to I/Borisov. The project aimed to achieve this by utilizing an innovative light sail spacecraft. It is projected that the Lyra project will launch a dedicated spacecraft between 2030 and 2033, which is expected to reach Oumuamua by 2047 or 2049. The realization of this ambitious endeavor is within reach due to significant advancements and innovations in spacecraft technology. For example, the LightSail 2, a remarkably small spacecraft powered solely by solar radiation, has completed 18,000 orbits around Earth, covering a distance of 8 million kilometers. This spacecraft has the capability to propel tiny probes swiftly through space by reflecting high-powered lasers off its small sails. With further advancements in these types of spacecraft, it is possible that we may develop a vessel fast enough to reach Oumuamua in the near future. However, recent observations suggest that we may not need to embark on a mission to Oumuamua after all, as it appears to be on a trajectory toward Earth. Although Oumuamua is currently located near the planet Neptune, there is concern that its unusual orbiting pattern may result in its return to Earth. If this were to occur, various possibilities and implications arise. It is important to note that we still have limited knowledge about the nature of this object and the full extent of its capabilities. What did Joe Rogan reveal about Oumuamua? Could Oumuamua be an alien spacecraft? Joe Rogan, the esteemed American media personality, is a captivating figure whose insatiable curiosity and receptiveness to diverse viewpoints have propelled him to the forefront of the entertainment industry. As the host of the highly acclaimed Joe Rogan Experience, He has curated a platform that embraces intellectual exploration and unfiltered conversations. Rogan's magnetic personality and genuine interest in a wide array of subjects spanning from science and politics to comedy and spirituality have created an environment where guests from all walks of life engage in thought-provoking discussions. Recently, a mysterious object known as Oumuamua has captured the attention of scientists and enthusiasts alike. In the absence of conclusive explanations, the hypothesis that this enigmatic entity originates from extraterrestrial sources has emerged as a prominent and intriguing possibility. Joe Rogan, ever intrigued by such concepts, finds himself compelled to delve further into the subject. Notably, even the chief of the Pentagon's UFO office has openly acknowledged the existence of an extraterrestrial mothership within our solar system, lending credibility to the idea. Moreover, the notion that these otherworldly beings might be deploying microscopic probes to systematically investigate celestial bodies in our cosmic neighborhood, akin to our own space missions, adds another layer of fascination. In a recent study, Sean Michael Kirkpatrick, director of the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, aligns with the findings of Harvard professor Avi Loeb, who confidently asserts that Oumuamua is an extraterrestrial spacecraft crafted by an advanced alien civilization. However, this theory faces strong opposition from other scientists who argue that the vast astronomical distances involved render interstellar space missions impractical. Additionally, skeptics point out the absence of detectable radio signals from Oumuamua during previous scans. Nevertheless, it is worth considering that the lack of signals may be a deliberate attempt by the extraterrestrial beings to remain concealed. Joe Rogan, renowned for his inquisitive and open-minded nature, contemplates the possible deeper meanings behind Oumuamua's presence. He wonders if this enigmatic object serves as a cosmic message, urging humanity to explore further and expand our understanding of the universe. Rogan ponders whether it might even be a test, designed to assess our technological and scientific progress. He emphasizes that space exploration not only drives innovation, but also attracts the attention of visionary billionaires who are investing in research and development. When Oumuamua briefly appeared in our solar system, the scientific community swiftly united, showcasing their collaborative capabilities and resource sharing. This event served as a valuable lesson, reminding us to be prepared to interpret any encoded messages or signals embedded within such objects in future encounters with interstellar visitors. Joe Rogan highlights the global nature of space exploration, which necessitates expertise and resources from all corners of the world. Oumuamua's sudden presence ignited the curiosity and thirst for knowledge of astronomers, astrophysicists, and researchers worldwide. It served as a universal call to action, reminding us of the vastness and intricacy of the universe and inspiring us to unite in our pursuit of understanding. Now, if Oumuamua does indeed prove to be an alien spaceship, its ability to rapidly accelerate as it approached the sun, on the verge of exiting our solar system, raises intriguing possibilities. If this object is piloted by extraterrestrial beings, it could potentially travel at tremendous speeds consistently, enabling it to reach Earth in the shortest time possible. And what might happen then? Well, the first consequence would be a catastrophic impact. The collision of this space object with Earth would cause widespread destruction, including landslides, mudslides, and other devastating effects. If Oumuamua is, in fact, a spaceship, we could potentially face a space invasion scenario. The implications of such an event are profound and uncharted territory. We cannot predict the diseases, pathogens, or deadly viruses that these aliens might bring with them. They may even possess civilizations with technology far more advanced than ours, akin to what we see in science fiction movies. While all of this is purely speculative, we cannot dismiss these possibilities, especially considering that a respected scientist firmly believed that Oumuamua was indeed an alien spacecraft. On the other hand, if it turns out to be a mere space rock or fragment of a destroyed planet, our concerns would be cleaning up the mess after the collision.